In this video, you'll learn how to manage your maintenance efficiently in Google Sheets with Fixeets. To get started, head over to the Google Workspace Marketplace and install Fixeets Maintenance. Just click Install to add it to your Google account. In a new Google Sheets tab, open the Fixeets console from the Extensions menu. If the extension doesn't show up, it's because you have multiple accounts connected to your browser without the extension installed on them. Log into Fixeets for the first time and generate your workspace. 5 Google spreadsheets will be created to save and store all your data. Once the setup is complete, you can start building your equipment database. To create a new equipment, click New to open a form where you can fill in all the details, sector, brand, availability, and more. Once confirmed, everything will be saved in the equipment spreadsheet. Repeat the operation for all your equipment. To plan your preventive maintenance interventions, go to the Preventive tab. Click New and fill in the form. You can enter the equipment, the type of intervention, the technician assigned to it, as well as the frequency and duration of the intervention. Once the preventive is created, you'll find all the information directly in the preventive sheets. You'll find all your preventive maintenance directly in the Fixeets app calendar, but also from your Google Calendar. In the same way, your teams can report an incident on an equipment at any time. To report an incident, click New and fill in all the information related to the incident. Once the incident is reported, an intervention will be created so you can fix it. You can find all the incidents and preventive tasks directly from the Intervention tab. Select your intervention, look at the details and complete it. You can also print an intervention sheet directly from the console. Once the intervention is completed and validated, incidents will be closed and preventive tasks moved to the next maintenance date. You can also share it securely with your team. To do this, go to the menu and select Sharing and Permissions, then add a new collaborator. Enter their email address and select the features you want to share with them. Once saved, an email will be sent directly to their inbox so they can open the app from any device, phone, computer, or tablet. You can also access the web app by scanning the QR code or opening the available link. There you'll find all the maintenance information as well as many analytics to help you stay organized and prevent breakdowns. Discover all our features like stock management, inspection creation, and many more to manage your maintenance more precisely. You now know how to manage your maintenance efficiently with Fixeets. Discover all our features and tutorials on our website and download Fixeets Maintenance.